In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a ringtone on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings and then tap Add Sounds and Haptics. You will be taken to this page where you can easily find ringtone, and if we get into it, we will be able to choose any ringtone from that list, and then we can set it as a current ringtone simply by check marking it, just like that. And also we can scroll down below and listen to other ringtones, and once we find one we like, we can keep it check marked, which means that this ringtone is now set as current. Also we can scroll up and get into Tone Store, then Tones, and that's where we can purchase more ringtones. So we can get into some category like ringtones, and then we can scroll down until we find one that we want to set as a ringtone. So let's say I want to try that one. I can tap right here and it will start playing. I can listen to it, and if I like it, I can just tap at that button, then set as a default ringtone, and after that, in that pop-up, I can tap at Purchase to purchase it, and after that, if we go back to Settings, we can tap at Download all purchased tones, and after that, we will be able to set any purchased ringtone as a current ringtone on your device. That's how you can easily add a ringtone on your iPhone. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.